Okay, welcome guys. Today, me and my sister are playing Animal Hospital again. When we first played this, we were scared to our pants. And yeah, we were super scared. So I'm gonna join her because she's gonna play. Okay, so I hope you guys stay. Don't ask why my voice is like this. I just have a habit. Okay, my phone is slow as the pumpkins man. Anyway, okay, she's playing. We should join her. It's just the two of us. We're not gonna let anyone else join us. But anyway, if you want to join us, go search for my name on Roblox. Cherry 457 347. Sorry, I kinda speak wrong sometimes. Okay, let's begin. I can't wait to see my little sister. Yeah, it's my little sister. Me and my little sister. Welcome to the Jerry channel, Jerry fans. I am so loved to be here. Sorry, I do not know what to say at all. So, my sister's gonna check the cameras. My sister's gonna check the photos because my phone is super slow, so I can't see the people's face or their faces in the photos. So I'm gonna be scared. So let's start this stupid game. I'm scared as hell. I'm so scared. Yeah, I know. Onde é que responde é que Let my thing load for a second, sis. Sis! Let my thing load for a second. We're eating food, so this is yummy. Yeah, so we're eating food, so we're literally like eating and playing games. Okay, so like I said, my one's more slower, as you can see. Come on. Okay, let's go. I'm here, sis. I'm over here. Yeah, I'm over. Okay, kan vraag ik dan komt dat. Dus als het bloot hier, wil je eigenlijk bloot hier? But wait, I can't see you. I'm coming, sister. I'm coming for you. Please. Finally, I'm with my sister. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm sus. I'm not that sus. I'm not that sus. So yeah, let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Work at the hospital until you find out what really happened. What's really happening? Sorry, guys. Mami, kan ik nog krijgen? We begin as we sell. Check on patient. Oh no. Oh, I thought we were sorry. Hey, you're a pink bunny. I can only just see your face. Oh, I'm a yellow bunny? I see it from your screen. Hello, my name Sup. Is... I'm Psycho Blue. What? What is that name? I have an appointment. Okay, stamp, take photo. I can see their faces now. Let me see. His face is right. If I... Wait, why does it say check on patient 2? We don't have any patients. This is the first patient. I'm gonna check the cameras, bro. Oh, okay. I'll be in room 1. Okay. I'm gonna check. You're gonna be with the patients, okay? Close the door behind you.
Okay.
Thank goodness.
Wacht, is Maiden not there? Hello. Yes.
Follow the patient to room 1. To their room. I'm just saying, hey, girlie, go to the patient 1. Go to patient 1. What the fuck?
I have
She's
a.
I want to check in as a patient. Okay. If I see your anomaly, I'm closing this gates 1, 2, 3, buddy. No. Okay, girlie, you're good to go.
Is it a girl or a boy?
It's a girl. Why wouldn't it be a girl? So, whoops. Let me see. Gimme that. Whoa, this thing is slow. Treat patient. Now, I will be in room 2. Treat remain patients 2. 1. Okay, there's one more patient. You have to check on them.
What number?
There, it's that girl who's walking.
Oh, it's patient number 2.
Yeah, anyways, if I see a anomaly coming right in here, I'm spooking the way
If her
of the patients.
Right.
Girl, hurry, I'm not gonna deal with some monster. If I say monster and they're banging their head over there, I'm closing this. Oh, bye, girl. Bye, boy. Bye, boy. He said sub, so it's a boy.
Okay, she
only needs an eye drop. Her eyes look dozy as grandma's pig's nose. Like when it's just dry, like an island. The doctor is arriving. Come on, sister.
Okay,
Look, I told you. The doctor looks like this.
yeah, it looks. It was on.
Yo, you must be the new hire. I'm Doctor Harlow. Okay. You look different. Okay.
Coffee ready? Coffee is ready.
Don't take the coffee.
Just when we're barbarians.
Yeah.
Wait, how does it look on the?
Mhm. Okay, so now we have the cameras on. Let me check the cameras again.
Come sit, man.
No, 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 no.
Close this thing.
Yeah, close that thing. Look at the face.
It won't even show the
It won't
face.
show up.
Okay.
Okay, he's away.
Okay,
The first one who's coming in is normal. Open the thing.
there it is. Okay, I'm gonna take this time a photo. Okay. Hey.
Hey, I'm checking every time.
I have a.
I want to check in as a patient. She wants to be a patient.
Okay, she looks normal. Look. She looks normal.
Yeah, I know. I can see it from the photo. Why is it, girlie? I'm literally making the video. Fuck, slow as hell.
I will be in your door.
Girlie, we need to check on the patients. Hell knows what's gonna be happened if we go to shift. We were in shift 4 that time.
Then another doctor arrived.
I'm gonna.
My name's
Ron.
From marketing.
From accounting. You ever wonder why they keep hiring new people? Never mind.
May Max no.
Just in case, I'm closing the door. Okay, guys. This is what you call a nightmare. Okay, there's still 2 patients left. Remember, don't look up if you see the eyes. We only see the eyes in shift 3.
Okay, I'm looking for eyes. Okay.
They're on the ceiling, not on the ground. But if we see new things in shift 5, we're so good.
Okay, I watch all the rooms. Thanks, I will be in room 2.
There's still 1 patient left.
I'm gonna take a picture first. Now I'm going to take a picture.
Okay, end the
Dot,
roll.
dot, dot, dot. I'm here for my...
I'm gonna see the bunny. I'm so cooked.
Okay, she looks normal. Oh, did you just... No. It's the doctor earlier.
This is my patient. So, you have to do... That patient over there is yours.
Okay. Just...
You gotta be kidding me.
I need to get out.
Guys, let's wait for my sister to come back. Cause me? Hell no. Going back there is a super big mistake. So we have to play. Oh, let me see. New video.
I don't want to hear you say I will go another way. Should I go or should I stay? If I have to go away, this will go another way. Cannot let you sleep away.
Now dance, now dance, now dance, go now dance, dance, now dance.
Yeah, I know that. Sis, you can talk. Anyways, we don't speak English. We actually speak African. We're Africans.
We are famous.
Hey guys, I have something to tell you. Continue. Me and Sprout are. Me and Louie are. Dating. You go with a main? A main? High object! Dandy! Hey!
Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry for ignoring you or something.
You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Lord, I'm one. Lord, I'm two. Lord, I'm three. Lord, I'm four. Lord, I'm 500 miles from my home. You can
See you, my little jellies.